more chicken, Clucky?
Don't call it chicken, Barney. It's better than chicken. It's perfectly delicious, almost chicken.
The delicious crunch. The juicy meat. Jackson Jackal's got a tasty little... Ah!
Don't worry, gang. I never let anything happen to our mouth-watering secret recipe. And I'll make sure you never steal anything. Ever. Okay.
Only one piece left.
My...
You thieving little... My chicken!
Margaret!
Give it back!
You must resist the hunger. It will consume you. Don't trust Clucky. He's doing something with the food here. It's made of...
Don't listen to the bear, boys. He just wants all those fried finger-licking drumsticks.